Yeah, Mr. Chairman, I would just like to ask the
Senator-
report lang,
Senator Joel,
Senator
yes.
Batonov, just one quick interjection, because the chairperson of the Commission on Human Rights made mention na hindi kumpleto yung report. Is that correct? Because I have here with me a copy of that report, the 2022 report of the Commission on Human Rights, na nakalagay po dito yung mga drug killings. I am not sure because it's concerning for this representation to hear that it is not a complete report. And while reading the report, and if I may, Mr. Chairman, this is just 3 sentences. Number 1, use of excessive and disproportionate force is evident in most cases where only 1 victim is involved versus 3 policemen. 2, 86% of those who obtained gunshot wounds were shot in the head or torso, indicating an intent to kill. And 3, in at least 59 incidents, witnesses argue that the police engaged in violent conduct and or employed disproportionate and excessive force, including A, forcefully barging in the house, B, physical abuse of victim before being killed, C, threatening witnesses, D, dragging away of victims from the place of incident before being killed, etc. I just wanted to find out, Mr. President, ito ho ba, report talaga nila to? Ito ho ba'y kumpleto? At ngayon narinig ko, hindi kumpleto. Then, why are we getting these reports, Mr. President?
Thank you, Mr.
Chairman.
Chair. Apo, to respond, yun pong report na binabanggit, tama po kayo, this was officially released noong April 2022 by the previous commission. Kaya ko po nabanggit na hindi siya kumpleto because this is only a report on the sampling made by the commission. Kung titignan po ninyo, ang total number of cases that were investigated by the commission is around 3,790. Pero po yung subject ng itong report nito is around 882 cases lamang po. At dahil po, kaya po nagkaroon ng sampling lamang dahil nga ho yung difficulties in the conduct of investigation. And out of the sampling made, nagkaroon ho sila ng analysis and they came up with findings and recommendations. Kaya nga nakita rin po namin, pag-assume namin sa office, na kailangan pa ituloy yung investigation kasi nga ang karamihan sa most of the recommendations contained in the report are only policy recommendations. So pag magpasa ng measure, how the police should do their work, pero wala hong determination as to the violation committed by respective individuals. Wala pa pong ganun eh. Kaya nga ho ngayon, ang commission, we form a task force again to look into these cases and determine accountability and hopefully come up with a recommendation to the relevant government agencies.
And you have a time frame for that? Time frame?
Wala pa ho kami na iset na time frame kasi nagsimula lang
Thank
kami.
you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Senator Bato.